celebrate my Diwali celebrations.
Diwali celebration. Okay. Okay. So मेरा सब कॉल है ना, मैं थोड़ा सा फ्री होती हूँ, किया था इस पे होमवर्क.
Okay, no problem. You say Diwali is one of my favorite festivals. Okay,
Diwali is one of my favorite festival. It's very popular in India.
and it's a festival of the light, color, happiness, joy, prosperity. A lot of things that you can speak in the beginning to start your topic.
Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, and
Hmm. Hmm. On the occasion of Diwali, I decorate my home, my house.
I decorated, I renovated my house. Uh,
So this year, when I celebrated my Diwali, before a week, I was very happy and excited. Okay.
when
I,
this year I'll celebrate my,
yes, I cleaned,
I'll clean
everything,
my many things.
got my wall and house painted. I decorated.
I'll wear my finest clothes,
Huh,
and I'll perform worship ceremonies
yes.
of goddess Lakshmi. Of Lakshmi. Sorry,
I,
of Lakshmi, the goddess of prosperity and wealth.
hmm. Now, you remember what did you do on the day in the evening? Okay, you lit some lamp. Okay, you enjoyed firecrackers, and you met some guests and family, neighbors. Okay, you watched a live show. Lot of things that whatever it happens with you, you can speak in a flow. Okay, no problem. Now, for the past indefinite, I would like to tell you how to speak about stories, moral stories. That is called storytelling art. Are you ready to begin? Now, on the basis of this story, I will ask you a few more stories. Because I know everybody in their childhood, they learn, they listen to such kind of story. So now I'm going to tell you one of the stories, that is the lion and a mouse. Long
Lion and
Lion
mouse.
and the Mouse. Long, long ago. You know, this is the beginning sentences. Once upon a time, there was a lion. It was living in the forest. So once the mighty lion was sleeping under a shady tree. The lion was in a deep sleep. After some time, a mouse crossed from there. The mouse saw to the lion, and the mouse started running across the body of the lion and around in the vicinity of the lion. And the mouse woke the lion up. The lion got very angry, and the lion caught the mouse, and the lion was about to kill it. By the time the mouse told to the lion, "Oh, my lord, O king of the forest, please spare my life. Don't kill me. I'm a small creature. If you leave me, if you don't kill me, one fine day I will also be able to help you." The lion started laughing. Lion thought, what a little creature, do something for me in the future. By the time Lion was thinking, but Lion let the mouse go. After a few months, the same lion was trapped. The hunters came into the forest and they trapped to the lion. The lion was trapped. Lion tried very hard to come out from the net of the hunters, but it was in vain. The lion was helpless. The lion started roaring loudly. The same mouse whose life was spared by the lion. The mouse heard the sound of the roar. The lion was roaring in the forest. The mouse reached to the spot where the lion was struggling to come out from the net. The mighty king was helpless. The lion was really helpless. But the mouse came there. Mouse told to the lion, "Oh, my dear Lord, don't worry. I'm here to save you." And without passing any time, the mouse started biting to the ropes of the net. And within no time, the mouse set the lion free. Both of them they ran from there, each thanking other. The morality of this story is never underestimate the power of a small creature. Anybody can help you. You don't know what is your situation and circumstances. Maybe your circumstances would be adverse. So I would like to ask you, if you observe, if you have heard this story, try to speak it now.
I can't read.
गलत या सही?
हाँ?
है ना? गलत या सही? You try to speak.
नहीं, मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई थी.
फिर कैसे करेंगे? दूसरी कोई कहानी याद है? Any story if you remember?
नहीं, मुझे कुछ नहीं.
Thirsty crow. एक कौवा बहुत प्यासा था. There was a little water in the pot. Couldn't drink the water. So
मैं कोई
हाँ
स्टोरी पढ़ूंगी, अपने नेक्स्ट सेशन में कर सकती हूँ.
चलेगा. तो write it down. 4 moral story. आपका होमवर्क.
ओके.
लिखना भी है इसको. Okay. You have to write it down also. So this was storytelling art. You can be the master, but you have to go with a lot of practice. There are a lot of stories you can find on YouTube. I will share some of the links. They come with subtitles. When you read the subtitles, try to write down the subtitles on your notebook. Each sentence, write down the meaning. Each line, each sentence, write down the meaning. When you're writing the meaning, that will be fine for you to understand. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ गई कि मैंने क्या बताया? क्या आपका होमवर्क रहा?
मेरा होमवर्क ये स्टोरी टेलिंग जो है उसको राइट करना है, राइट और आपको बताना है.
Means I taught you the storytelling art. In the first part of this session, I taught you what is your sentence formation of present perfect continuous tense. The use of has been, have been, okay, and the all different structures with negative, positive, interrogative, WH questions. Now you have to learn it. And the second half, I took your speeches, and that was quite important. When you spoke, पिछली बार भी आपने पूरा नहीं बोला था, तो आप इसके लिए that is why I give you 1 day break. And this time, really, I would like to ask and see you speaking fluently. And this is very known topics. बच्चों को तो हम यही से पढ़ाते हैं ना. जब past tense की बात आती है, long long ago, once upon a time, there was a king. यही होता है ना. There was a king, a mighty king, a cruel king. He had a big, a giant, a vast kingdom. उसका साम्राज्य बहुत बड़ा था. He had 2 queens, 3 queens. He had 4 sons. यही तो होता है. He had very nice people or subject. प्रजा उसकी बहुत अच्छी थी. The people always loved to their king. प्रजा हमेशा अपने राजा को प्यार किया करती थी. But the queens were not good. तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें आपने सुनी हुई कहानियां. So I'd like to ask you first, try to read stories. स्टोरीज को रीड करना, जब आप रीडिंग करना स्टार्ट करोगे ना, you will come across different kind of the word in second forms. Did you understand? Second forms. अभी आपको बात समझ में आ गई ना?
हाँ.
अभी आप कोई स्टोरी बोलोगे या फिर टॉपिक दूं, या फिर कॉल से डिस्ट्रैक्ट हुई हैं अभी तक आप?
हाँ नहीं, स्टोरी आपने बताई थी, मेरा डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गई थी ना, बट मैंने राइट कर दिया जो मेरा होमवर्क है, तो नेक्स्ट सेशन में